car.
Yeah, sorry. Yes. He like, I want to go.
Yeah. Yeah.
I ain't mad. No, I know. That's why I was like, all right. I'm sorry.
Matter of fact,
Old lady.
What? We outside.
Old lady. All right. Me and the old lady made it to a rest stop. Hold on, where this is at? We are in VA. We are here. Wipe that off. No, I can't see the moon. Old lady.
Yeah. And we
Can't
got
see
the
you.
nebulizer. Outside.
Yeah, it's dark.
That's alright, that's what took the place.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Rest stop.
Virginia skies.
Old lady.
Virginia. E is for Virginia.
That's funny. Old lady. Pose. And pose. And pose. And pose. Yeah, sure.
Why not? The driver.
And pose.
Fix your zipper. I can't even really see you. Ready? The drama of it all. Yeah, I want to both.
That's the
Okay.
photo.
Thank you. Dramatical phone. So, I know. I don't record. I don't know if it did.
It's alright.
Looks like it didn't.
I think I did.
A couple of days.
Yes, we made it. That's kind of nice. Wow.
Yeah, this is gonna be the last thing I drink.
All right, we made it finally.
When it really feel like it. Oh.
Yeah, I guess. Wow, that's crazy.
That wall right off the expressway.
Yeah, I know. That's what you get when you're
Oh,
downtown.
I'm seeing some of the old stuff.
In the mix.
Oh,
Elevator.
cracked elevator floors or cracked tiles.
And one elevator.
Yeah, I got one elevator.
And one bathroom. Let's see if it comes on. It might be dim. Remember the ones that got dimmer?
They're not motion?
Dang, I guess that's it.
Come on, that's right. You're supposed to be, it's supposed to be a beautiful part of town.
Right.
You gave you the apartments and stuff, and this one right.
Yeah, that's true.
Right there. But I'm gonna do the hand, like I said, I'm gonna put some stuff away just so I know where it is, not all of it. Or as much as I can stand do it. But
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna have my sandwich and stuff. I gotta take me a shower and I'm gonna relax. So I don't even know if I'm gonna come back up. Yeah, why is this well lit in those fucking staircases or not?
All right.
I wouldn't.
I do.
I don't care if you heard.
All right.
Let's check around and see what's what. I know I wanna go in the gym one day.
All right, let's see how it looks.
Maybe early in the morning.
Yeah, I think in 2-3 days.
Yeah. Get on the bike.
In the morning.
Fine, but let's see what is and ain't working in here. Let's guess you can come in here anytime.
Nice. At least the AC's were in here.
It better be.
Smell like new equipment too.
Right,
Stock.
TV.
Okay.
What is this? Is one of them things.
Yeah.
Got my bike. I will sit on this bike
Mhm.
right here and watch TV.
Mhm.
That's gonna be my bike. But do I have a Oh, and then they got these too.
Okay. Okay.
That's
why is that it? Gym is stocks. Gym is stocks.
Yeah, let me see something.
Yeah, that's they all like that. All right.
They need to put some cups in there. Water. I don't know if it works. It's not working.
It's a self-clean.
I've never, yeah, but it's it's still. We gotta find out if it's plugged in or not.
Yeah, maybe that's what it is.
I will ask, but I'm still gonna write this down.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Walk around. Watch somebody.
10 o'clock. See, 10 o'clock. I told you. Ooh, hot. You know it's hot. It's heated. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, because I would not want you outside. There's towels here too. Towels. And a bathroom.
If it's because it's hot, I couldn't stay. I just use only not responsible for washing out. So I use on risk. Use it on risk.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, man. It does not provide any attendant for operating illegal operation. Do not leave personal property unattended. No glass containers. Okay. What he says it's doing. Looks like somebody used it. Or is it just one?
They really don't have the air on in nowhere. No air on nowhere. Yeah, that's nice.
Well, why does the coolness start here and not down here?
Yeah.
And up the stairs?
Well, this is the, you know, you got to get the illusion.
So this, what time is the hours? 6 to 9.
Yeah.
7 to 10. We won't be here Saturday. 6 to 9.
Yeah. Yeah, this is all week.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Breakfast.
Looks nice.
We'll be down here.
You gotta come out of the fire pit.
Yeah, but they're not that time to go. Come down here and get outside.
Them bugs is out here though, so.
They are? They probably are somewhere. They gotta go out to the door.
Yeah. I see them. Yeah, I will not be sitting out here. They're everywhere.
House is up like, wait. And they're not there, but they're knocking. I was like,
Oh, what those are?
okay. So that's it?
We gotta go down that way.
Yes, I know. See what's around there.
Yeah.
Where's your fireplace?
Mm-hmm.
See it? Yeah, it's nice. On
Yeah.
Both, it's open both sides.
Yeah. I guess it's a real fireplace. That's real fire?
No, because that's not wood. That's no, that's electric.
Okay.
The only light in my car is in there. Don't let nobody
We'll
else.
take the last one we went to, it was on.
They had a game room. They had a meeting. Have a meeting room. I don't know if you can probably. If you want to have a meeting, can you get in? I guess you don't have access.
Nah, I guess you need access to
You
that.
don't need to. It's probably for business people or whoever.
Yeah.
And
Very,
that's it.
very basic hotel. That's it. I guess that's all
So
we
they
got.
got no game room either. No. And we pay more money for this than we did.
Yeah, we are, because of where it is.
Okay. Yeah, I'll have to speak to somebody in the daytime tomorrow.